So, as you know, Mama, that we recently visited Sindh, and now I want you to sing a Sindhi song. It should be any of your favorite song, but it should be Sindhi. And one thing else that I got to know about Sindh in these days that we visited was Sindh is the most historical place.
Definitely.
And the places which I visited were really good, like Thar and what was that, Mohenjo-daro?
And Sindh Museum.
Yeah, and Sindh Museum. I got to know very new things from there. Sindh is the best place I have ever visited.
Because you are also Sindhi.
Yeah, and I'm a Sindhi person.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I want you to sing Sindhi song.
Okay. My most favorite
Uh-huh.
kalam. Tedi pavanda tariye jadahe gada gullalo mya tadahe miladasi tadahe miladasi tedi pavanda tariye jadahe gada gullalo mya tadahe miladasi. Thank you, Rabeel.